This session I'm going to present you if we want to track a specific URL with the help of Google Tag Manager, how we can create the GA4 event for tracking a specific web page. So if I just want to come here, this is the website, and I want to track that if user, for example, visiting on our services page, and if I just click here now, we want to track this URL in our GA4 events. So how we can create a GA4 event? So this is a very simple process. Now again, I can navigate towards our tag manager, and I just want to close the Google Tag Assistance, which last time I presented to you now. And again, this is the interface. As you can see that our container quality is excellent now because container is sending the data and Google Tag Manager is not facing any kind of or not detecting any issues now. So which is very good sign. I can navigate towards the tags now, and this time we are creating the GA4 event now. So this is the existing one. If I just click here the new one, I can click here the inside or just here in the pencil icon, and this time I can just type here GA4 event. So this is our target now, and I can just select here now. So once we select it here now, we just need to specify the measurement ID. How we can get the measurement ID? This is the same way. I can navigate here towards the GA4 account here now, and here in the admin I can click here and then go to the data streams, and here you just need to click here now website, and this is the measurement ID now. So what I need to do now, you just need to click here the copy icon and then navigate back towards your GA4 account, Google Tag Manager, and here you just need to specify your measurement ID. Once you specified here the measurement ID, one thing you observed that this automatically triggered that Google tag found in this container. How smartly this is presented in front of us, because we already linked the Google Analytics GA4 account with the Google Tag Manager. So that is the reason. If I just go back towards the slide, if you created the Google Analytics account with the Google Tag Manager, the measurement ID with your Google Tag Manager, so the primary benefit, you can track the Google Analytics events, clicks, buttons, URLs and labels, scrolling, video management, all these things. Whosoever visiting the website, we can track everything with the help of Google Tag Manager now. And the website, all the operations we can track, and we can exactly know if we are investing a money on a certain campaign, we can track those actions as well now. So after that, you just need to come here. First of all, you can specify GA for event name. I can say this should be our services page, right? We want to track this event for Google Analytics GA4, and we just need to save this one now. And once we are clicking here the save now, the Google Tag Manager is asking that this tag does not have firing trigger now. And the firing means that where we want to trigger this tag now. Our goal is that when someone click on this page, our services page, then this tag should fire. So I can come back, and now this is the time we need to add our trigger now. So I can click here the add trigger, and here our target is for a specific page, but let's first select the all pages, and here we just need to click here the pencil icon, and we can add plus here and initialize all the pages. Let me close this one, click here, and then click here this plus icon, new trigger, and then click here now. And we want a specific page now. So what exactly, you can see this is the option page view. I can just select instead of all the pages. As you can see, the by default is selected all the pages, but we want a specific page now. So we can select the second option, some pages, and here we can select the page path. And what exactly the page part? If I just click here, the contains, there are tons of options will be presented in front of us, like equal to, contain, start with, end with, regular expressions. There are so many options are here, but the most common and most commonly used option, you just need to select the contains, and after that you just need to specify the URL. And here I can select like our services. Now I can just copy this one, navigate back, and here I can just click here and copy and paste our services. So I can just say the trigger tag is our service page trigger now, right? So whenever our service page will open, whenever any user who visited this web page, we want to track now how many visitors on the daily basis are visiting in our services page. So if I just click here the save button, and after that you can see that our tag is ready. Our service page is the name of our tag, and our service page trigger is now linked with our GA4 account. And if I just click here the save button, the event name should not be empty. You need to be remember this thing. I can specify here our services page, right? And I can just click here the save button. Now everything is perfect. Now you can see that our another tag is ready for servers. And if I just click here the submit button for publishing, I can specify I am publish this now, publish new tag, right? And I can say here GA4 event, and after that I can just click here the publish, right? So now you can see that I successfully published this new event, and currently we have two tags now. And I can just close this one, and I can just navigate towards the workspace, and this time I can now click here in my tag assistance preview. The page tag assistant is loading now, and now my website is already there. I can just click here the connect, and after that you can see that I can now maximize this page. The website is connected, and if I just click here the our services now it's again connecting, and I can just minimize this one and click here. You can see that behind the scene the two tags now presented connected. Congratulations. I can click here the continue, and now see the magic. Last time we fired only one tag, GA4 now, but this time we fired two tag, and the new tag name is our service page. If you just click here the our service page, you can see that the event name, this is the event name, our service page, which we specified there, is triggering now. And if I just come back here again, analytics, and just I am going to close this one, and I can navigate towards here. Let me show you the real data. And now you can see here the real-time page view is presented here, our services, and our service page is there now. You can see here, this is the event we just created, our services page. So this is the same event which we created our services page. As you can see here, I can navigate towards my tag management, and this is the our services page. Now the same name is presented here on our Google Analytics GA4. This is the power of Google Tag Manager, that one-time configurations, you can create as many events as you want. We just created a page URL event, a certain page URL event, but in the upcoming session I will explain to you if someone click on your specific button, how you can track that specific button and how you can track certain text and links and scroll